We continue to improve public cleansing through historical investment in the collection of garbage units. The National Solid Waste Management Authority, Madam Speaker, will be focusing on removing old cars and other type of bulky waste, which are an eyesore and a public health problem to the country. Yes. Madam Speaker, we couldn't do it effectively before. When we took over in 2016, we inherited 2 broke-down crane trucks. That was of no use. Madam Speaker, the entity is now in a position to target abandoned vehicles, Madam Speaker. You have garage operators who have taken over the streets, yes, operating garage 24/7 without any respect, Madam Speaker. I am saying, Madam Speaker, that the National Solid Waste Management Authority is now in possession of 4 brand new crane trucks, and I am announcing a massive island-wide derelict vehicle removal program that will be carried out shortly. In addition, Madam Speaker, we have obtained 8 specialized scout trucks that will collect solid waste from hard-to-reach communities across the country. This government will continue to change the face of Jamaica in a fundamental way. I urge this Parliament to give support. It is difficult, especially for those persons who are physically impaired and disabled, to access our sidewalks, because used car owners take them over, garage operators take them over. It is creating a nightmare. And I call on the country to unite in this effort to rid our streets of this kind of danger, Madam Speaker.